Here's an overview of the Centro Home tab within the Microsoft Teams Centro application. In the Home tab, you have two sections, Organizational Admin Settings and User Settings. In the Organizational Admin Settings, you can connect your automation user. This is the general connection between your Microsoft tenant and your Salesforce org. Additionally, Centro allows for additional Salesforce connections to your Microsoft tenant. If you have a sandbox or additional Salesforce orgs that are used within your business, you can connect them here. Centro Forms allow you to build individual forms to update or create Salesforce records within the Microsoft Teams application. They are all stored here and can be used across multiple different workflows within the Centro application in Microsoft Teams. Next, our workflow setup. These are different trigger points that allow you to either connect a central form or send a platform event to Salesforce. The Create Message shortcut allows you to link a central form and or fire a platform event to Salesforce. Link Activity shortcut message does the same, except instead of creating a case, instead of being labeled as create case, it's labeled as log activity. And finally, reply to Salesforce record blocks. This allows you to send a platform event anytime a message is posted beneath a central record block, allowing you to capture those messages as case comments, chatter feeds, etc. Finally, file setup. Centro is smart enough to realize when a thread or chat is in relation to a Centro record block and Salesforce field. This allows you to be prompted to upload files to those Salesforce records directly within Microsoft Teams. This allows you to do this in any conversation where Centro is added, and allows you to perform uploads as an automation user in case most folks don't have a Salesforce license. Finally, admin users. This allows users who did not install the application to see the organizational admin settings within the Centro app. In user settings, this is where you can set up the My Salesforce setup. So this is how your user authenticates to Salesforce and will honor your Salesforce permissions. And authorize to upload meeting transcripts to Salesforce. This allows your meeting transcripts to be sent to Salesforce via Salesforce files and additional summaries and functionality to be added. This is an overview of the Centro Home tab within the Centro Microsoft Teams app. Please reach out with any questions.